Ngayon, ipapaparinig ko sa inyo kung ano ang ginawa ng mga Espanyol laban sa atin. Pumunta sila dito, inagaw nila yung karapatan natin, kultura, tradition, binura nila for over 300 years, 3 century. Tayo inaapi po ng mga Espanyol. Pagdating nila dito, ang dala-dala nila mga armas at mga sundalo. Huwag kayong maniniwala nga ang pagpunta na dito is to Christianize the Filipinos. No. They came in the Philippines to colonize in order to absorb, take our wealth and natural resources for more than 300 years. Tinotorture, sinasaktan, ginahaghasa, wala tayong karapatan, tinatawag tayo ng mga Indyos, tayong mga Pilipino. Pero yung wala na sila, ang kinukuha nating kultura, tradition, religion ay yun pa sa kanila. Pakinggan ninyo kung anong sinasabi sa AI. Ang masaklap pa, yung Pilipinas pagkatapos nila, kinuha nila for more than 300 years, more than 3 centuries. Ang masaklap na masaklap, bininta tayo sa mga Amerikano.
Information about the Spanish colonization of the Philippines and the subsequent sale of the islands to the United States. Spanish colonization and the sale of the Philippines. The Philippines was a Spanish colony for over 3 centuries, profoundly shaping the nation's culture, religion, and social structure. The Spanish colonial period saw the introduction of Christianity and Western education, though these were primarily accessible to the elite. In the late 18th century, new educated class of Filipinos, the Ilustrados, emerged and began advocating for reforms within the Spanish colonial system. The failure of peaceful reforms led to the rise of the Katipunan, a revolutionary movement seeking complete independence from Spain. Transition to American territory. The Spanish-American War in 1800 at 78 marked a turning point. The Liga victory led to the Treaty of Paris, where Spain ceded Guam, Puerto Rico, and the Philippines to the Liga. Spain sold the Philippines to the United States for $20 million as part of the Treaty of Paris in 1878. The Liga Senate ratified the treaty on February 6, 1879, ilay narrow margin.
Narinig yung mga kapatid? Bininta tayo ng 2 million US dollar at 20 million US dollar sa mga Amerikano. Sino nagbenta? Mga Kristiyanong mga Espanyol. Ha? Ano tayo? Kalabaw? Mga hayop tayo? Bininta tayo? Lako naman. Tapos ngayon, pinagmamalaki ninyo ang kultura, tradition, relihiyon ng mga Espanyol? Sabi nila, bullshit. Maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.